In Module 1, we will discuss the Synthesis Standard kit packaging and its contents. The kit box measures approximately 65 inches by 53 inches, and it weighs about 550 pounds. When unloading, use a standard forklift with standard forks. You will need at least 2 people to safely unload this box. Remove the panels by lifting them straight up and out of the box. Never drag the panel across the others, as this can cause damage. It's very important this product is shipped and stored in a flat position to make sure nothing is stacked on top of it. Inside the box, you'll find all the necessary parts and hardware you'll need to install the system. 2 58.5 by 47.25 vitrified porcelain composite wall panels, 4 35 7/8 by 47.25 vitrified porcelain composite wall panels, 8 return wall brackets, 8 back wall brackets, 12 1/16 inch bottom back wall spacers, 64 number 8 by 1 inch bracket installation wood screws, 4 36 by 6 3/4 inch moisture resistant skirt boards, 2 60 by 6 3/4 inch moisture resistant skirt boards, 4 48 by 2 by 1/4 inch moisture resistant strips, 68 screws for moisture resistant skirt boards and strips, 10 lippage control posts and caps, 1 roll of closed cell foam membrane, 1 roll of watertight flashing, 2 tubes of translucent adhesive sealant, 1 tube of color matched 100% silicone sealant. The color is shown on the bottom of the tube. 1 cartridge of 2-part epoxy adhesive with extra mixing tips.